true titan of elegance. The 1960 Lincoln Continental Mark V embodied the height of American luxury, blending commanding presence with masterful craftsmanship, a machine that once roamed the streets as a statement of prestige. This iconic land yacht continues to captivate automotive enthusiasts and collectors alike. Join our passionate community of classic car lovers, where history, restoration, and admiration for automotive excellence thrive. Let's explore the legacy of this legendary machine together. The 1960 Lincoln Continental Mark V was the final chapter of the third-generation Continental series, a model that defined excess, sophistication, and bold styling. It followed a lineage of opulent cruisers that prioritized comfort, power, and innovation. Distinguished by its massive proportions, this coupe stretched over 227 inches in length, making it one of the longest production cars of its time. The slab-sided body, free of unnecessary embellishments, exuded modernism, while the intricate grille and iconic rear fender skirts solidified its unmistakable character. Underneath its sculpted hood, a monstrous 430 cubic inch Male V-Hoy engine delivered a formidable 315 horsepower, ensuring that this rolling masterpiece moved with effortless authority. Mated to a 3-speed turbo-drive automatic transmission, the Mark V provided a smooth, whisper-quiet ride, embodying the very essence of American luxury motoring. An advanced suspension system softened every bump, making long cruises feel like gliding on air. Inside, the Mark V's cabin was nothing short of a lavish retreat. Premium leather upholstery, polished wood trim, and chrome accents enveloped passengers in an environment of unmatched sophistication. The dashboard, adorned with futuristic push-button controls and a stylish speedometer, exuded an air of refinement. Power windows, air conditioning, and even a 6-way power seat were available, reinforcing Lincoln's commitment to comfort and convenience. Despite its status as an automotive masterpiece, the Mark V's time in production was short-lived, as Lincoln introduced a complete redesign the following year. Today, surviving examples of this luxurious cruiser are highly sought after, with well-preserved or restored models commanding impressive prices at auctions. Depending on condition and originality, a pristine Lincoln Continental Mark V can fetch anywhere from $25,000 to over $50,000, with rarer configurations demanding even higher premiums. This car was more than just a vehicle. It was a symbol of an era when American automakers ruled the world with extravagant designs and cutting-edge engineering. For those who appreciate the grandeur of vintage automobiles, the 1960 Lincoln Continental Mark V remains a masterpiece worth celebrating. Be part of our growing community, where timeless classics come to life and the legends of the past are honored. Let's keep the spirit of these magnificent machines alive.